Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share with you a die that I received for my birthday. Thank you, Amanda. Amanda gifted me this chaos craft design, and it is a sunflower bow. I'm not sure what else it says, but it does say it's big size. And because it was a gift, that's all I know. But it was from Chaos Crafts, and here's the die. It's a pretty substantial bow, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. And it cut out very well and clean. And so here are some of the pieces that I cut out that I still have left over. I did a few of those bands that go around the bowl. And then I cut this one out of vellum. And then this one out of gold paper. So these are the 4 different bows that I made. I like how they come out. The dimension is just right. And so I just did them various ways. I am making this for a gift. Oh, it's an entry. To a big milestone birthday. So it's an entry to a big milestone entry. So this is the embellishments that I'm including that were required for the entry. And so I'm just going to package them up, and I also need to send an ATC and a birthday card. So I'm going to get those things ready and put them in the mail off to the recipient. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. I hope that this has inspired you to get out and craft. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.